Black Friday event is online. Enjoy up to 83% off. You can get the discount code and copy it. Just click to buy it. So today we will explain how to extract Italian IP and set up proxy. First open the client and refresh it. Find the country, enter the initials IT, and click search. You can also sort here. You can sort by country, state, city, zip, code. Then select an IP, right-click, select Forward Port to List, click the port you want. Then click on the port forwarding list, click to copy. Then set the browser proxy settings.